The inspiration behind the lab was really to bring together a collision of hardware and software, and particularly around Internet of Things. So it was sort of people would come in, sit together, pull kit out, and just startups would happen on the back of those discussions. We chose Reading because Oxford Properties were very big supporters of having early stage tech communities, and also Reading sits in the centre of the Thames Valley, so it kind of made sense to set it up here. I think it's important to support tech startups, particularly within the Thames Valley, because there's been a lot of attention on London and some of the other tech clusters, and there hasn't been a lot of support locally for grassroots startup. We really wanted to grow the sort of grassroots tech community and give them somewhere to come to where they can share ideas and have the water cooler conversations that you don't necessarily get when you work at home. The Internet of Things, we actually have a very big local community in Thames Valley, so Oxford and Reading. I think we've got quite a lot of heritage in terms of electronics and also the software, and I think the Internet of Things covers both areas. So I think it's a very big topic, there's a lot of investment around in it, but I think there's a lot of people playing with Internet of Things, but no one's actually found the killer Internet of Things application. So we're just hoping that by giving people a lab, it gives them more scope to actually play with things. The lab is really important because it's prohibitively expensive for startups to get access to some of the equipment that we can actually offer them under one roof. And by having RS support, we've been given some equipment that we wouldn't necessarily have been able to provide to the startup community. A lot of our inspiration came from RS work with the local makerspace, where they're not necessarily so commercial, but we can take them from a maker environment and then bring them into more commercial, where hopefully more tech startups will happen.